Here with Top Down Traders. Thank you for viewing this video. Please make a comment on it, like or subscribe. That way I can be encouraged to share more videos with you. I greatly appreciate that. So, if you haven't seen the last few videos that I've been showing about crude oil, go back to the first two, starting on the third, when I first started to enter this trade. But I'll kind of give you a story real quick here. I'm going to make this the day chart. I'm going to do a vertical line. With this vertical line, I'm going to put on today is 9. Should start on 3rd, comma, 2018. Is that a period? 12/3. So I started getting to this trade on 12/3, and that was here, right? You see down here 12/3. That's when I started to get into this trade, and I anticipate this trade going much higher. I got a support level here, another one here. I really want to take it here if we're going to go back to retests, but I'm going to scalp that to that level. So I'm going to watch this trade all the way until it goes back up here and retest. If that target hits, it's going to be a crazy profits. But right now, I'm going to keep it there. Put this back on my hour because I have my little sessions on here. But I'm following up with you guys today to kind of give you a heads up on what's happened overnight. And let me kind of show you where the results are now. As I mentioned to you before, I started this trading on this on the 3rd. So here's when where's the 3rd at? Come on now, I got to scroll up. Told you I started trading this on 12/3 2021 is when I started trading it, right? So I'm going to trade it all the way up, probably to the end of next month, somewhere mid-month. I'm going to scalp it up and wait for reversals. But until it reverses, I'm still bullish on it. So today is what? Today is the 8th. Today's the 8th. It's 1:53 p.m. This was earlier, 20:55, so that was early in the morning. And my server is in a different country, so the date's always going to be ahead. So it looked like up a few more grand. Which one did I take recently? Close out recently. Anyway, so scalping this one up, then I'll move those profits somewhere else to a different account or something. But right now I'm still in the trade, and it's pulling back some. I should have been more patient. I'm down $500, but by the close of Friday, which I'll be closing this account on Friday before the market closes, I'll be out of this trade, and we'll see what happens on Friday. And Friday will be the 10th, so I'll probably release another video on the 10th. So I'm happy with the results so far. I'm not playing with much. But hey, listen, I just want to give you guys a heads up. If you haven't learned how to trade, consider it. It could be a change in your financial life and change your lifestyle or whatever, help you pay off some bills. You can do it part-time, but it's not something you got to do and sit in front of your computer all day. I don't do that. Looked like we're coming to a double top on the hour. I'm anticipating it breaking through on the next session. But it's 2 o'clock, so it's going to get weaker. So the Asian session, we're in the Asian session right now. That's why it's blue. So it probably pulled back some. And if it does pull back some, I anticipate it going to one of these 2 support levels. Based on the other, probably pull back to somewhere in this zone. I'm going to watch this, though, see what happens. So those are my 2 levels of support that I'm going to be watching and keeping an eye on. I'm anticipating pulling back, maybe going up. It might break through. I don't know. Based on this session, all the blue sessions, it doesn't move a whole lot, if you noticed. It did on the morning session there. It moved after the morning session here. It might move on this session, but we'll see. But hey, listen, stay in touch, stay in contact. Please comment, like, subscribe. and leave a comment. If you have any questions, please comment, and I'll get to